Hi everyone, I'm Chiara from Dream Real Estate, and today I'm here to present to you this stunning country house in the heart of Chianti, for sale at 2.8 million euros. We are in Greve in Chianti, only 30 minutes from Florence city center, and from here we can admire the fantastic landscape of the Chianti region. The property is around 400 square meters and the land around 6,000 square meters with olive groves and vineyard. In total there are 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, a huge living space, a typical Tuscany style kitchen, and outside there is the swimming pool area with the Fienile, and then there is a wine cellar, which is a must in a typical Tuscany villa. Now I'm in front of the house. This property was completely renovated by the owners, and now we are going to meet Douglas, which is a British gentleman, live in the States. We can say Tuscan by adoption. Let's go to meet him.
Ciao Chiara, come va?
Ciao Douglas, how are you?
Fantastico. Vieni.
Yes, of course. Let's start the tour. So Douglas, now we are in the living space of this Tuscany country house. I really feel the connection between the outdoor and the indoor part, which is amazing.
Thank you. Yes, it's one of the main reasons we bought this house is it has a huge amount of light. To be honest, it's quite hard to find in a Tuscan farmhouse. They're normally small rooms, small windows. And also the position of the house means that the sun is available all day. It rises from there in the morning and over there it sets. And so we're just bathed in beautiful sunlight throughout the day.
Also, it's all renovated. The decoration is fantastic. You keep and maintain the typical Tuscany style, but we feel in a contemporary and elegant place, you know?
Thank you. Yeah, because we tried very hard to do that. We wanted to maintain the kind of essential characteristics of a Tuscan house, so the original terracotta floors, the high ceilings, but we wanted to add a little bit of modernity and comfort. Like, for example, even these lampshades we had specially made with some chicken wire because it brought in a little bit of modern agricultural joke into the house.
We see the mix of the furniture, which is fantastic because you maintain also the historical of the place. But in the meantime, there are some pieces, as you told me, from San Francisco, all over the world.
Yes,
so this kind of mix make this place more international. Let's continue the tour.
Sure.
Now we are next to the pool and the Fienile, the stone barn. We are going to meet Douglas again to know more about this fantastic place.
So this is our happy place, basically. We spend most of our time here because we have this amazing view of quintessential Tuscany, the Chianti Valley with the castles and the hills, the vineyards, the olive groves. And I never get bored of this view because as the sun moves and the clouds move across, the light changes, the patterns of the vineyards and the olive trees, it's magical.
I'm curious about the Fienile. What there is inside?
Well, originally inside there was storage for the winemaking and the olive making equipment, but we turned it into something else.
Let's go. I'm super curious. Let's go to see inside. So now we are in the middle and inside the Fienile. As you see, it's all renovated, and I'm very curious to ask Douglas how they use this space and why you decide to create a kitchen here.
Yeah, so this was used as storage, but I wanted somewhere to cook and to entertain with my friends and family that's close to the amazing view and the pool and the terrace outside. And so we had artisans hand make everything in here, from stone to the iron to the Madi, tutto.
Tutto handmade.
Sì.
So having your lunch outside and then
Yes.
go to the pool directly with some panino or some bread with olive oil.
Exactly. Nonna Douglas, they call me.
I saw this Cantina, Douglas, with a lot of bottle actually, and I saw the symbol of the villa in the etichetta. So I'm asking myself, is it your own wine?
Yes, it is. I've always wanted to make my own wine, and this time we were able to make our wine and our olive oil. And Matthew, my husband, designed the labels so that it has the name of the villa on it, Villa 11, Villa 11. And the wine is good. It's classic Sangiovese, which is quintessential Chianti red wine, and the olive oil is fantastic. I'm a convert to olive oil now. I never knew it could be so good.
But who is the person in charge?
Vittorio.
Okay.
Vittorio is the guy. We call him Saint Vittorio, Santo Vittorio, because he knows exactly what he's doing. He makes great wine and great olive oil, and we all enjoy it together. He really wants to stay here. He loves this land and wants to be part of it for as long as he can.
Let's keep this
Certo.
for later. Douglas, I would love to stay here. How we can do it? Can I stay?
You're very welcome.
Let's recap regarding the focus point and the values of this house.
Yes, I mean, to sum up, the reason why we chose this house, coming here from San Francisco, thousands of miles away, is it was like not too much this, not too little of that. It was like just so. So here we are, totally immersed in the Chianti, Tuscany countryside, and yet we're only 30 minutes from the center of Florence with all the services of doctors, lawyers, dentists, all those practical things that you need to live here.
And also, if I can say something that really impressed me, is about the light.
The light was very important to us, and we get the sun all day from early morning to late at night in the summer. Plus the windows and the light in the house, as I said before, it's very unusual in a Tuscan farmhouse to have this much light.
And don't forget that these are ready property, completely renovated.
Yes, all you need to do is bring your suitcases.
Absolutely. Let's enjoy your own wine.
Let's.
Which is fantastic.
Grazie.
Thank you, Douglas. Thanks for being with us today, watching this amazing video with me and Douglas. And don't forget to subscribe on our channel. We'll see you in the next video tour.